Ever wondered how to keep your plants happy and thriving? Well, the secret lies in understanding their individual needs. Just as we humans have our own preferences and necessities, so too do our leafy friends. Like us, each plant species thrives in different conditions. Some adore basking in the sunlight, while others prefer a cozy shaded nook. Watering, too, isn't a one-size-fits-all affair. Some plants like their soil to dry out completely between waterings, whereas others prefer to stay consistently moist. And let's not forget soil types. From sandy to clay, loamy to peaty, the right soil can make all the difference in a plant's life. But remember, each plant is unique, just like us. They need individual care and attention to truly flourish. So, let's not treat them all the same, shall we? Instead, let's dive into some practical tips to keep your plants happy. Watering sounds simple, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. One of the most common mistakes in plant care is overwatering or underwatering. It's not about drenching your green babies whenever you remember to. It's about understanding the signs they give you. For instance, soil dryness is a good indicator of when your plant is thirsty. If the top inch or two of soil is dry, it's time for a drink. Now, let's talk about a little trick called bottom watering. This method involves placing your plant in a container filled with water and letting the roots absorb what they need. It's a fantastic way to ensure your plants get the right amount of hydration, especially for those that are a bit finicky about moisture levels. Remember, watering is not about following a strict schedule, but about observing and understanding your plant's needs. Next up, let's talk about light, a vital ingredient for any plant's happiness. Light is the lifeblood of plants. It's their food, their energy, and their motivator to grow. But not all light is created equal. There's direct light, which is like a summer day at the beach, bright and intense. Then there's indirect light, more akin to a shaded picnic under a tree. Each plant species has its own light preference. Some bask in the glory of direct sunlight, while others prefer the subtlety of indirect light. Now, here's a simple trick to ensure your green friends get an equal share of the light buffet. Give your plants a gentle rotation every now and then. This ensures that all sides get their fair share of light, promoting even growth and preventing any lopsidedness. By understanding your plant's light needs and adjusting accordingly, you can create a thriving indoor jungle. Finally, let's dig a bit into soil, the foundation of your plant's health. Just like us, different plants thrive in different environments. The type of soil you choose for your plants can make a world of difference to their health and growth. Take cacti and succulents, for instance. They prefer sandy soil that drains quickly, while ferns and orchids thrive in rich, organic soil that retains moisture. It's all about finding what works best for your plant. And speaking of drainage, it's crucial to ensure your soil drains well to prevent root rot, a common plant ailment. Waterlogged roots can't breathe, leading to the plant's demise. So, make sure you have plenty of perlite, sand or grit in your soil mix to improve its drainage. Don't be afraid to experiment with different soil mixes. You might just stumble upon the perfect blend that makes your plant positively perk up. Remember, it's a learning process. With the right soil mix, your plant will have the perfect home to grow and flourish. So there we have it. The secret to happy plants is understanding their unique needs. Each leafy friend requires a tailored approach, from the right amount of water to the perfect light conditions. Don't forget the importance of a good soil mix, tailored to your plant's individual requirements. It's all about balance and attentiveness. With these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming a plant whisperer. Here's to happier, healthier plants.